Good morning, everybody. This is Joe Cusick from the Cusick Group. Thank God it's Friday. It's been an interesting week. Actually, yesterday we saw that crude in the energy sector was leading this market to the upside. It led the action on Thursday, and it helped to turn the stock market that was looking negative in the morning, and by midday was to the upside. Now we're seeing yield-based names also on the upside. We saw utilities. We also saw materials. They all performed well yesterday. They're holding in there today. We're going to get in that in a minute. But the remaining 6 offensive sectors that I keep an eye on, they were under pressure. After the Fed minutes, you start to see financials. They got real whippy, and they were actually down yesterday, and they're under pressure today, this Friday. You are seeing no consumer names. They were down yesterday, and they were one of the worst performers. But they're actually up today, holding in there. The consumer is going to be the pulse of what's going to be happening to the upside. I'm going to watch that very closely. What really caught my eye, though, yesterday was REITs. REITs were the weakest of all the offensive sectors out there, and they were the worst performing sector, and they continue to be under pressure today. If you look at the Dow Jones ETF that follows the REITs, the DJUSSR, it fell and is now testing its support. Watch that 50-day moving average. A break of there, that could be bad for REITs. And that also is going to be something that we're going to watch very closely, because those yield-based names where people were parking their money, they might be parking it in the equities. We want to keep an eye on this. The other thing is that we've seen that the tech sector, it has gotten to a point where it's stalling up at these levels. This is an offensive sector. Watch the Qs, watch XLK. If the NASDAQ, which is overbought, starts to come under pressure and start to pull back from here, it might be some time to look to maybe trim your positions, or if you're looking to add tech, wait for a little bit of a pullback here. Well, that's it for today. I want to wish everybody a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. This is Joe Cusick from the Cusick Group.